Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by grabbing attention fast. Start with a 3/8-second hook that makes the viewer ask a question. Explain why you'll deliver value and promise a specific outcome within the video's runtime. Once framed, move directly into a clear visual subject and an audio cue to lock focus. This prevents scroll loss. Make sure to keep energy high but controlled, because strong beginnings increase watch-through and set expectations for the rest of your content. You now deliver the core. Break your message into 3 beats and signal each transition verbally and visually. Explain how and why each beat matters, using one concrete example to make abstract points tangible. This helps memory. Once done with a beat, add B-roll and close-ups to vary pacing and preserve attention through visual change. Make sure to balance short commands with explanatory sentences, so viewers follow procedure and rationale without. You conclude by restating the promise and giving a single, immediate next step the viewer can take. This converts attention into action. Then summarize 1 or 2 key takeaways so the message sticks, and deliver a confident closing line to seal engagement. If things go wrong, like muffled audio or slow pacing, check your microphone placement, normalize levels, and trim pauses. This fixes most retention killers. Make sure to test these quick fixes before publishing to maximize impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.